Hi everyone, Carol here from Carol's Cricut Crafts. This is a super quick video just to show you a new change to Cricut Design Space. I love it. I think it's really a great idea and I know you're going to appreciate it. So let me show you this great little change. Here I am on my Design Space canvas, and at first glance it looks exactly as it did before. But if you take a look at your layers panel, you'll notice that you no longer have any tools up at the top of your layers panel. Where have they gone? They're under the image you've added. So in this case, let's take a look at this one first. This is a printable image. The only options I have is to duplicate or delete, which is normal. You always had only those options, even though you did see everything at the top of your layers panel. Now you can see exactly what you can do with this image. But watch what happens if I add another shape to it and select both together. Now I have the option to delete it, to duplicate it, to attach it, to flatten it, or to group it. Now I have all the options. So that's how it's changed. If I look at the shape alone, I can only delete or duplicate it. On printable, I can delete or duplicate it. Let's put these aside and let's take a look at this layered image. Because it's layered, I have all the features: delete, duplicate, attach, flatten, or group or ungroup. I have all the features that I had before at the top of the layers panel. I think it's great because now you can see exactly what you can do with an image when you select it, when you add it to your canvas. You know right away what options are available to you. So this is rolling out in Design Space Live. I don't know if everyone has it yet. I did find it in my Design Space this morning. That's Design Space Live. So if you don't have it yet, it's definitely coming to you soon. I hope you're going to enjoy this new feature. I know that I will. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this new change to Design Space. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you don't already. Thank you for watching.